I want to use this opportunity to greet my fellow Biafrans, both home and abroad. Today is 22nd of May 2026, being Friday. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Biafrans and all lovers of freedom. This information is coming to you from the office of General Igbo Botozo, the Chief of Biafra Defense Force. I want to use this golden opportunity to acknowledge the ever-presence of Major General Gento de Yahoo, of whom I am standing on his microphone. I am still your brother, Angel Makeup. This information is what is currently going on in the land of Biafra, Igbo land. Through this information, I want to draw the attention of Mr. Donald Trump, the President of the United States of America, and the Prime Minister of Israeli government, Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu, over the Islamic agenda of Nigerian government officials and the Igbo traditional rulers, Ndi Eze in Southeast, such as Eze Amebu in Olo Senatorial Zone, Eze Awo in Olo Senatorial Zone, Eze Osumohu in Anambra State, Eze Ebonesie, Eze Lilu in Anambra State, Eze Iseke in Anambra State, Eze Mbosi, Eze Osi Ihutokwa, Eze Amannachi, Eze Akuma, Eze Amagu, and Eze Umuhu traditional ruler, Eze Ihitenansa, Eze Amaruru. Biafrans, I don't want to continue to mentioning their names here, but I want to inform the traditional rulers in Owerri Senatorial Zone and the Okigwe Senatorial Zone that Biafrans and the Igbo in general are critically monitoring every activities did with Nigerian Islamic officials against Biafran youth. I am directing this message to Biafrans for them to know how the aforementioned names are seriously deceiving their community youths, indirectly recruiting their village youths into Nigerian Islamic foot soldiers. Like I said before, that this information is coming to you from the office of General Igbo Botozo and Major General Gento de Yahoo. The information is that Biafrans are taking records of whatever that these Igbo traditional leaders are doing against Biafran youths. Cartel, Odumegu, and co. Biafrans are taking record of every movement and activity you are with the Nigerian Islamic terrorist government in order to Islamize Imo State and the Biafra in general. Their movements and the actions and the activities are being monitored on how they are recruiting and sending Igbo youths into Nigerian terrorist governments. When Gentle the Yahoo warned about the incoming of the Fulani terrorist bandits and bandits, you all make jest of him and call him a terrorist. You call him a criminal. Even accused him of kidnapping his own people. And also accusing the men on the ground that they are kidnappers. Today, what are you seeing? Such as in Ihia Agwa to Eziobodo communities, all Biafrans and Igbo and well-meaning Nigerians could bear me a witness of what they witness what happens in these aforementioned communities. Let me, without missing any word, the reason General Igwe Botozo, Major General Gentle the Yahoo, and the other state commanders, General Uwambia Romwem, General D44, General Ochiaga, the reason why they were hated by Igbo, accused by enemies of Biafrans, is because they volunteer themselves to protect the lives and the properties and they guide our bushes and the forests against Fulani terrorist invaders. Biafrans can see how Fulani in Nigerian government are using some of our people to fight against us, to fight against Igbo, using to fight against Igbo with heavy blackmails, such as Ebe Kodike, who also claimed that he is a scorpion colonel known as Ewi from Okigwe Senatorial Zone. Ikenga Uruago from Nnewi, Anambra State. Udele, King of Vultures from Okigwe Senatorial Zone. Lolo Nneka Chimezie, Jovika, and the other vultures that have decided to rebel against their own land. In conclusion of my message to you Biafrans that are listening to me now, I want to use this medium to let you know that those are the vultures. In conclusion of my message to you Biafrans, I want to use this medium to let you know that these are the volunteer enemies of Igbo and all Biafrans. All these aforementioned kings have sold their communities to Fulani to kill, kidnap, and collect ransom, and even burning down communities and villages. Yet, these kings and these saboteurs accusing General Igbo Potozo on social media, accusing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on social media, are defending the same Fulani terrorist government. Defending them, covering them, because they were together with the Fulani terrorists that have been kidnapping and abducting, collecting ransom from Biafrans. So, Biafrans, Ndi Igbo should disassociate themselves from such vultures and their team of gangsters. All thanks to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Ohamadike one of Biafra. May Chukwu Okike Abiama continue to strengthen you and protecting you and guiding you.